A bit more wind around this week to bring the leaves off the trees, and it will feel more autumnal for most of us. We'll even see a little rain, hopefully not as much as we've seen in Bulgaria and Turkey in the last 24 hours. Well over an inch of rain has fallen here, and you can see on the satellite picture the swirl of angry cloud that brought that rain. It's also looking quite menacing now across in Iberia, and that's all tied in with a developing area of low pressure, a blast of northerly winds as well with that developing area of low pressure, which means quite a drop in temperature across Spain, Portugal, the French Riviera, not to mention a very unsettled day tomorrow. In fact, some of that rain links right the way back up into the British Isles. As you can see, a lot of cloud over the country this morning, as is evident in the skies across Belfast, where the rain has been on and off through the morning already. And you can see where we have the rain. It's streaming up from the south, and it's turning quite heavy now, not too far away through the Isles of Scilly, the tip of Cornwall, and now coming up towards Northern Ireland. So we do have some advice if you're on the roads, because particularly through the evening rush hour, Northern Ireland and Cornwall quite miserable on the roads with spray, standing water and hill fog. There'll still be a little bit of rain in western parts of Scotland as well, and some getting into Pembrokeshire, but away from the west, the rain lighter and more patchy. And on the whole, there'll be a lot of dry and bright weather. Little rain in eastern Scotland. Still a few showers, as we've seen in East Anglia just recently, sparked off in eastern England, but a lot of dry, bright weather, a little bit of hazy sunshine coming through, and 16 or 17 could be our high, as yesterday, but it feels cooler in the wind, and that's because we've got quite a strong wind, near gale force through the Irish Sea and up in the northeast. If you took the winds away, temperatures don't look too far from average, do they, this time of year? But that wind stays with us both today, tomorrow, coming in from the east or the southeast, so it will always make it feel quite chilly and quite autumnal. Now that wind continues through the night. There'll be a few breaks in the cloud in the east, but the rain also stays with us through Northern Ireland, Western Wales and southwest England, but it's gradually easing away from the north. So I think for Northern Ireland, a drier and brighter afternoon, at least, even some hazy sunshine tomorrow. Still windy, mind, and it'll still be rather cloudy to start in western Scotland, but here a brightening picture along with Northern Ireland and Wales eventually. That rain will be reluctant to clear from the southwest of England tomorrow. Elsewhere it does look drier and brighter than today, but there'll still be a few showers at the risk, especially in the northeast of Scotland, and temperatures as today, but still feeling chilly because of that strong near gale force wind. Very similar picture on Thursday, but by then perhaps some more rain coming back into western parts of Scotland and a risk in the south. Central and eastern areas seeing the best of the sunshine, but it turns quite wet and windy again